Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In last tutorial we learned how to resize the image and its all methods given in this documentation of image intervention. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to adjust the image and its all these methods. So let's start with gamma method. Here is a logic of image uploading, and I will going to use this image in this tutorial. So let's specify name here gamma, and we need to specify gamma method here and specify argument 1.6 in this method. So let's upload one image and check this 1.6 gamma applied in uploaded file. So let's create one post with gamma effect, and I'm going to select let's check uploaded file, and you can see here both image. This one is original and this one is newly uploaded with gamma effect. The whole background has been changed from this image. So you can apply gamma effect using this method. Next method is brightness. If you want to change the brightness of the image while uploading the image in Laravel using image intervention, that time this method is very useful. So just you need to specify after this make method. So let's take one example. Let's give here brightness name, so we easily detect the image, and we need to specify here function name is brightness, and we need to pass argument here. We can only pass argument -100 to +100. So I going to apply 35 as the brightness of this image. So let's upload one image. Let's open. You can see here the brightness of the image has been changed. So you easily change the brightness of the image while uploading, and it's pretty easy. Next method is colorize. This method change the background of the image, and you can change the color of red, blue and green RGB using this colorize method. So let's take one example. Let's specify here, and I'm going to specify here as well. And colorize method supported 3 parameters: red, green and blue RGB, and you can specify argument in between -100 to plus 100. You cannot specify 101, 102. You need to pass argument of R, G and B in between -100 to +100. I going to change this image blue shadow to green, so I specify here 30 as a green parameter. Let's upload one image so you can easily understand it, the difference of this method. Let's check the image and you can see here original image shadow of the image is blue, but this uploaded file shadow is green. So you can easily change the image using this colorize method. If you want to change this image red, then you need to pass a parameter of red. If you want to change the blue, then you need to pass blue parameter here. So this colorize method is very useful when you want to change the whole background shadow. And next method is a contrast. When you want to change the contrast of the image while uploading the file, that time this method is very useful. So let's take example. Contrast method support only one parameter, -100 to +100. I'm going to specify as 65 as a contrast. And let's upload again image. Contrast of this image is changed because I specify 65 here. So you can easily change the contrast of the image while uploading. You just need to specify after make method and specify argument here, and you can easily change it. And next one is a grayscale. Grayscale method is very useful when you want to make the colorful image to black and white. So you can easily do it with this grayscale method. And grayscale method not support any argument. You just need to specify grayscale method here. Let's upload one image. So now this image is black and white. So it's pretty easy and you can easily use it. Next one is invert. This invert method is useful when you want to change your image and its color inverted. So let's take one example with invert method. Invert method also not support any argument. Let's upload one image. let's take this image and save it. This image green shadow and original image is blue shadow. Let's check the original image. This is the original image and now uploaded file with inverted, you can see here. So you can easily invert the image while uploading. And last one is a flip. The flip method supported two parameters, vertically and horizontally. So you flip the image vertically and horizontally using argument h and upload this image and flip the horizontally. You can see here, now image is flipped. This is original image. This side is now left side and left side is now right side. So let's take one more example with vertically. Flip with vertically. So image is vertically flipped. So these all methods are very useful to change your image effect while uploading the image using image intervention, and we will learn next these methods of applying effects in next tutorial. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to ask any question in comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.